Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Tabassum's Beauty World. Beauty is our passion, right? So this is Tabassum. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel where I share enormous videos regarding beauty. Today I am here with a new recipe that is homemade hair shampoo. So let's check it out how to make it. Firstly, I have taken soap nut, that is 1 cup. Actually, this reduces the dandruff and they control dry and frizzy hair. That is very beneficial actually for the hair. Usually in our ancient times, people used to use only soap nuts to wash their hair. So it is very beneficial, guys. I have taken soap nuts and I have rinsed well, and next I have boiled for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I have strained the soap nut liquid. To this, I am going to add the ingredients. Firstly, I have taken hibiscus leaf powder. Actually, hibiscus is very beneficial for the hair growth. It boosts the blood circulation to the scalp. It encourages the hair growth. It can also help to strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. Next, I have taken fenugreek powder. Fenugreek powder can be used for hair growth. These seeds are packed with proteins and nutrients to increase blood circulation. Next, I have taken shikakai powder, which is anti-dandruff and wound healing properties. It is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Next, I have taken amla, which gives nourishment to the hair. It strengthens the hair follicles. It soaks up to excess oils on the scalp, making the hair feel light and moisturized. Next, after adding all the ingredients, we have to mix it well without lumps. It is very effective remedy. Please do try it and comment me in the comment box how it is. It is very good actually. Next, I have taken homemade hair oil. I have prepared. I'll show you this recipe in the next video. I have taken approximately 1 spoon of oil. Even this has many herbs which increases the hair growth. Next, I have taken rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil also increases the blood circulation to the scalp, making hair follicles grow better, and it strengthens the roots. It also helps to reduce the dandruff. Next, we have to give it a good mix. Our homemade hair shampoo is ready, so I will tell you how to use it. In my last video, I have shown you how to make the hair growth serum. First, you have to apply the hair growth serum on your dry hair and you have to massage for 10 minutes and you have to leave it for 1 hour. Next, you have to rinse your hair with this homemade hair shampoo. This increases the blood flow to your hair and makes the hair grow longer, and it reduces the dandruff. You have to apply it once or twice until you get the lather. Next, you have to rinse with water. Then you can apply your favorite conditioner. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.